Hello, Drew.
Hello.
Just giving Drew a little haircut.
You better be careful back there.
All right. Want to go look at it?
Yeah, have a look. Oh my god. It looks like shit! I'm suing you! Do you have any idea who my dad is?
All right, everyone. So now that me and Drew have a new microphone on this camera, I wanted to show you another example of a clip that we found in our audio track that I got rid of. The reason I'm showing you this is because it looks a little different. It doesn't look like a little... If you're someone who watched the last video we did of this, and you're looking for that little peak thing that I showed you with an audio clip, this is just so you can see another example of what it might look like. All right, so here's what the audio sounds like. All right, so that's the sound. I did the same technique that I did in the previous video. I'll leave the link of the video I did on how to find the clip just with your ears and dragging the little thing. I'll leave that in the description below. So this one is right here. And as you can tell, it doesn't... The reason I know it's a clip is because it's like a perfect straight line. The rest of it kind of goes up and down, and it's like a wave. This little straight line out of nowhere is the clip. So I'm going to delete that and then drag it over just like I did in the other video. So there's another example of what a clip in your audio might look like. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you find all the clips in your audio tracks. Hey, me again. I wanted to show you one more. Right there. That's also a clip right there. So it can kind of look pretty subtle. Subscribe, like, bye.